This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right needle and preparing the thread because that affects ease and tension. Cut a 12 to 18-inch piece at a 45-degree angle so the fibers separate slightly. This helps the eye accept the thread. Once done, hold the needle vertically with the eye at top and position your dominant hand to guide the thread. Make sure you have bright light and, if needed, a magnifier. These small steps reduce fumbling and speed up the actual threading. You now thread the eye using controlled, short motions so you stay precise. Hold the thread tip between thumb and forefinger and compress it slightly to narrow the fibers. This creates a cleaner point that passes through the eye more easily. Bring the thread toward the eye from the front, not the back, and push gently while keeping the needle steady with the other hand. If you feel resistance, stop and realign rather than forcing, because bending can widen the eye or fray the thread. You finish by pulling 1 to 2 inches of thread through and securing it appropriately for your stitch. For hand sewing, a small overhand knot helps prevent slipping. Once threaded, test stitch tension on scrap fabric to ensure smooth feeding and correct tension. Make adjustments to length or knot if stitches pucker. If the thread frays or splits during stitching, stop, trim the end, and recut at a fresh 45-degree angle, or apply a touch of wax or conditioner to stay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.